The Instant Vortex, plus 6 QT. Air fryer is an exceptional kitchen appliance that offers a range of features designed to enhance your cooking experience. With its programmable functions and stylish stainless steel design, this air fryer is a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex Plus is its programmability. This allows you to easily set the cooking time and temperature to achieve perfect results every time. Whether you're cooking crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or even desserts, this air fryer makes it effortless to achieve the ideal level of crispiness and tenderness. The product dimensions of 12.8D into 11.8W into 14.9H ensure that this air fryer is compact enough to fit on your countertop without taking up too much space. Despite its size, it offers a generous capacity of 6 quarts, allowing you to cook larger portions or accommodate the needs of a family. In terms of design, the Instant Vortex Plus features an elegant stainless.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.